Cristiano Ronaldo, a name synonymous with footballing excellence, is one of the greatest players of all time. His journey from a humble beginning to global stardom is an inspiring tale of dedication, hard work, and unwavering ambition. Early life and career. Born on February 5, 1985, in Funchal, Madeira, Portugal, Ronaldo's early life was marked by financial struggles. Despite these challenges, his passion for football was evident from a young age. He began his career at Andorranha and Nacional before joining Sporting CP's youth academy. Manchester United era. In 2003, at the age of 18, Ronaldo made a high-profile move to Manchester United. Under the guidance of Sir Alex Ferguson, he quickly established himself as a key player, known for his incredible speed, skill, and goal-scoring ability. During his time at Manchester United, Ronaldo won numerous trophies, including 3 Premier League titles and the UEFA Champions League. Real Madrid dominance. In 2009, Ronaldo made a world record transfer to Real Madrid. His time at the Spanish club was a period of unparalleled success. He led Real Madrid to numerous La Liga titles and 4 UEFA Champions League trophies. Ronaldo's individual achievements were equally impressive, as he consistently broke records and won numerous individual awards, including multiple Ballon d'Or titles. Juventus and beyond. In 2018, Ronaldo embarked on a new chapter in his career by joining Juventus. Despite his age, he continued to perform at the highest level, winning numerous trophies with the Italian club. In 2021, he made a sensational return to Manchester United. A global icon. Beyond his on-field achievements, Ronaldo is a global icon. His dedication to fitness, his relentless pursuit of excellence, and his philanthropic endeavors have made him an inspiration to millions. He is a role model for aspiring footballers and a symbol of hard work and perseverance. Key achievements. Multiple Ballon d'Or awards. UEFA Champions League titles with Manchester United and Real Madrid. Premier League titles with Manchester United. La Liga titles with Real Madrid. Serie A titles with Juventus. Numerous individual goal-scoring records. Cristiano Ronaldo's legacy is one of the greatest footballers of all time is secure. His impact on the sport is immeasurable, and his story continues to inspire generations. Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, known as Cristiano Ronaldo, is a Portuguese professional footballer widely regarded as one of the greatest players of all time. Books and resources. Cristiano Ronaldo, the boy who became a legend. Cristiano Ronaldo, the biography. CR7, the autobiography. Documentaries and films. Cristiano Ronaldo, The World at His Feet, 2014. Ronaldo, 2015. Cristiano Ronaldo, The Unauthorized Biography, 2018. Cristiano Ronaldo's remarkable journey, marked by dedication, hard work, and exceptional talent, continues to inspire football fans worldwide. Thanks for watching.